Channel Globe Time. Today I tell you major ports of India. India has a long coastline spanning 7,516.6 km, forming one of the biggest peninsulas in the world. According to the Ministry of Shipping, around 95% Indians trading by volume and 70% by value is done through maritime transport. There are total 13 major seaports out of 12 are government and one Ennore port of Chennai is the corporate one. Position of the seaports: Kandala, Mumbai, Jawaharlal Nehru, Marmagao, Nangaluru, Cochin, Tuticorin, Chennai, Ennore, Visakhapatnam, Paradip and Kolkata. Kandala port. It located 90 km from the Gulf of Kutch in the Kandala Creek. It was built in the year 1950. It is the biggest container port, also known as the busiest port. The port service hinterland of Gujarat, North Maharashtra, South Rajasthan, West Madhya Pradesh and almost part of northern region. Its high profitability for exporting grain and importing oil. Marmagao port. It is naturally protected open type harbour. This harbour is also protected using a breakwater and a mole that was built from the outer and end of the breaking water. This port service hinterland of Goa, North Karnataka, South Maharashtra, West Andhra Pradesh. Major exports from the port are frozen fish, iron castings, pig iron, pharmaceuticals products, and imports are heavy melting scrap, steel turning, etc. Mumbai port. It is a natural harbour and largest natural port in India. The water reaches depth of 10 to 12 meters, allowing easy docking and passage for large cargo ships. The port service hinterland of Maharashtra, south part of Gujarat, north part of Karnataka, west part of Tamil Nadu. It has jetties 4, number of 4 and that handle numerous imports and exports. The major exports are crude oil, petroleum oil, liquid chemicals, textiles, tobacco, manganese, leather and heavy machinery. It is a busiest port of India which handles 1/5 of the foreign trade of India, predominantly in mineral oil and dry cargo. Jawaharlal Nehru Port, also known as Novoshiva. It is located east of Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. The port handles cargo traffic mostly originating from Maharashtra, South Madhya Pradesh, part of Andhra Pradesh, part of Gujarat. Major exports from the port: textiles, sporting goods, carpets, machinery, boneless meat, chemicals, and pharmaceutical products. The main imports are chemicals, machinery, plastics, vegetable oil, and aluminium and non-ferrous metal. New Mangalore Port. It is the deepest inner harbour and all-weather port. The port service hinterland of Karnataka, part of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The major imports of the ports are crude and petroleum products, LPG, wood palm, timber logs, finished fertilizers, ammonia, and phosphoric acid. Cochin Port. It is known as best port in the east. The port service in hinterland of Kerala and some part of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. It exports mainly tea, coffee, spices, rubber, tobacco, and imports mineral oils and tools.